Are you looking for an affordable, reliable, and easy-to-install security camera that won't make you break a sweat or your budget? Well, the Blink Outdoor 4 might just be the backyard guardian you've been waiting for. But with so many wireless cameras on the market, is this really the best bang for your buck? Stay tuned, because today we're diving deep into real-world performance, features, pros, cons, and whether the Blink Outdoor 4 is worth your money. Blink Outdoor 4 Product Overview. The Blink Outdoor 4 is Amazon's 2023 update to its popular wireless security camera lineup, designed for both indoor and outdoor use. This compact cam is aimed at homeowners, renters, and small business owners in the US who want a no-fuss solution for keeping an eye on their property. What sets Blink apart is its focus on long battery life, easy installation, and seamless Alexa integration. With an improved image sensor and person detection compared to the Outdoor 3. The Outdoor 4 aims to deliver smarter, sharper home security, without locking you into expensive subscriptions or complex setups. But does it succeed? Let's break it down. Blink Outdoor 4 performance in real-world tests. The Blink Outdoor 4 delivers solid performance for casual home security. The upgraded 108OP sensor offers crisper daytime video than the Outdoor 3, with better color accuracy and detail. Night vision has seen a modest boost thanks to an enhanced infrared sensor. Although don't expect miracles, faces at a distance can still look a bit soft. What really stands out is the motion detection accuracy. The addition of person detection, when paired with the Blink subscription plan, helps reduce annoying false alerts from passing cars or tree branches. In stress tests, heavy rain, wind, and temperature swings, the camera stayed online without issue, showing good resilience for its price point. There is a slight delay, about 1 to 2 seconds, between motion detection and alert on your phone, which is common in budget-friendly cameras. Features and tech. Let's talk features, because the Blink Outdoor 4 packs a lot into its tiny shell. 108OP HD video plus enhanced night vision. The upgraded lens provides clearer live view and recordings. Nighttime footage is decent for identifying shapes and motion within 20 feet. Person detection. If you opt for the Blink subscription plan, about $3 a month per camera, you unlock person detection that filters out motion from pets, cars, or rustling leaves, cutting down on false notifications. Two-way audio, surprisingly good for a budget cam. You can talk to delivery drivers or warn off suspicious visitors directly from the Blink app. Bonus, it integrates cleanly with Alexa. You can view feeds on Echo Show devices, arm-disarm with voice commands, or trigger routines. Compared to competitors, the Blink Outdoor 4 holds its own in smart home compatibility at this price. Design and build. The Blink Outdoor 4 sticks to Blink's minimalist black cube design, simple, compact, and unobtrusive. It measures roughly 2.8x 2.8x 1.6 inches and weighs about 5.5 ounces with batteries. The build quality feels solid for plastic, and the matte finish resists fingerprints and glare. It's IP65. Rating means it's weather-resistant, ready to handle rain, snow, and dust without extra housings. The mounting system is intuitive. Just attach the ball joint bracket and angle as needed. The small footprint helps it blend into eaves of fences or porch corners without looking clunky. Pros: easy DIY installation, no wiring, no hassle. Great battery life, up to 2 years. Affordable entry price compared to competitors. Cons: person detection requires a subscription. Night vision could be sharper. Price and value. The Blink Outdoor 4 typically retails for around $100 per camera, with multi-packs offering better value. For budget-conscious buyers, it's one of the most cost-effective options in the wireless camera space. While the basic app is free, key features like cloud storage and person detection are behind a subscription paywall. The optional Blink Sync module 2 enables local storage if you want to skip the monthly fee. When you compare this to pricier rivals like Arlo Pro 5 or Nest Cam Outdoor, Blink offers solid value for essential home monitoring, setup, and installation. Setting up the Blink Outdoor 4 is refreshingly straightforward. Out of the box, you'll find the camera, mounting kit, batteries, and optional sync module if purchased. The Blink app walks you through pairing the device, connecting to Wi-Fi, and adjusting motion zones in under 15 minutes. The mounting bracket allows for flexible positioning, fence posts, eaves, or walls with minimal tools required. No electrician needed. Final verdict. So, who is the Blink Outdoor for 4? If you want affordable, reliable home security with easy installation and no long-term contracts, this is a great fit. It's ideal for renters, homeowners, and small businesses who want a Satan for Kente THA. Sure, the image quality and response time don't match premium models, and you'll need a subscription